this question from GATE 2020 EC paper, question number 3. Asks us to find the partial derivative of this function of 3 variables with respect to a point 10 e. 1 of course corresponds to x, and 0 to y, and e to z. We are asked to find the partial derivative with respect to x. Underneath the question, you can find the title of the NPTEL course or video that is related to this question. The background that you will need for this question is the definition of the partial derivative and how to perform partial differentiation on a given function with respect to a given variable. So let's proceed with solving the problem. As you can see, we are taking the partial derivative of the function with respect to x, which means we treat y and z, any occurrence of y and z, as constants, right? So if I were to treat that as a constant, then of course we would get this function as e power something, which has the derivative with respect to x as that e power something into the dy dx of that something by the chain rule. So that is what it is. This is e power something, and this is e power something, and this is the derivative with respect to x. Note that cos y remains because it is multiplied with x, and it is of course treating y as a constant, and 1 disappears of course because it's a constant. And similarly over here we have x into something. So we have x into something, and we are trying to get the derivative of that, not x of something, that's x into something. So this is just going to be that something, provided that the something is not a function of x, which in this case it's not, right? So, and of course now we substitute the point 10e for x, y, and z respectively, and you get the answer 0, which is the option B.